भारतीय सैनिकों के बडगाम पहुंचने की 75वीं वर्षगांठ के अवसर पर आयोजित कार्यक्रम के दौरान एयर मार्शल अमित देव ने कहा कि पीओके में आम नागरिकों के साथ पाकिस्तान की तरफ से उचित व्यवहार नहीं किया जाता है। उन्होंने कहा कि वायुसेना और सेना के संयुक्त प्रयास की कई गई कार्रवाई के बाद कश्मीर के इस हिस्से की स्वतंत्रता सुनिश्चित हुई है। इसी तरह पाकिस्तान के कब्जे वाला हिस्सा भी कश्मीर में शामिल हो जाएगा। आने वाले वर्षों में हमारा पूरा प्रयास रहेगा।
It's me great pleasure to be here today for this historic occasion, the 75 years of Badgam landing, in which after the instrument of accession was signed, we moved in quickly our troops. Srinagar airfield was saved, and thereafter we could launch a further offensive and push the Pakistan military, which came as Qabailis, further back. I am sure if the UN had not intervened, perhaps the entire Kashmir would have been ours. It was not only IF and Army's participation in Badgam, but there were many small missions which were carried out, which has resulted in ensuring freedom of free Kashmir. What I'm reminded of is one of the seizures of Poonch. People who had come from Pakistan, who had migrated from Pakistan, they built an airstrip at Poonch in 7 days and without much of mechanical support, and which had resulted in our aircraft landing in Poonch and saving entire Poonch, an entire area of, which is other side of Banihal and Pir Panjal. We also carried out attacks in Srinagar airfield till the fuel ran out by fighter aircraft. We also carried out attack at Skardu, without which, in fact, that attack at Skardu was at ammunition dump, and that mission was being monitored by General Timaya from the air. And it is very interesting to what he claimed when he saw this whole ammunition dump blowing up. We also activated Leh during that period by Meher Singh, and all these activities which were carried out by Indian Air Force and Army actually has resulted in ensuring the freedom of this part of Kashmir. And I am sure someday the Pakistan occupied Kashmir will also join this part of Kashmir, and we will have a whole of Kashmir in years to come. Thank you and Jai Hind. Any questions?
No, sir, I have a couple of questions. हिंदी में मैं बोलूंगी सर। एक तो आपने कहा कि एक दिन पीओके भी हमारा होगा। जब आप ये बात कहते हैं तो आपके जहन में कोई प्लान है?
देखिए, जो कश्मीर एक है, नेशन एक होता है, मुल्क एक ही होता है, और दोनों तरफ के लोग भी हैं, उनकी भी लगाव एक ही तरह की है। तो आज न कल हिस्ट्री गवाह है कि नेशंस हमेशा साथ होते हैं। We do not have a plan at the moment, but if God willing, it will always be there, because people in Pakistan occupied Kashmir are not being treated very fairly by the Pakistanis.
75 years आज हो गए हैं। 75 साल पहले ये डकोटा जब यहाँ पे उतरा था, हालात दूसरे थे। आज 75 साल के बाद how do you see the ground situation vis-a-vis Air Force में आपके साथ, ताकि in case of any eventuality, how?
The Indian Air Force has built over the years 1970. Because Indian Air Force came into being in 1932, with one squadron being formed in 1932, and most of the squadron came into being only in 1939-40, towards the end of Second World War, as Royal Indian Air Force. When India got independence, that is the time the Air Force was a very fledgling force when compared to our Army or Navy. But in short period of time, from then to 47, we made a remarkable difference. And since then, in every war, whether it was 47-48, whether it was 65, whether it was 1971 war or Kargil war, in every war we had made the difference. And we have become a very capable force. In the years to come, we will continue to serve the nation with honor. Thank you.
What are the challenges that Indian Air Force face at present?
Indian Air Force faces many challenges. The basic challenge that we face is of technology. The rate of change of technology is so fast in the world today that we have to keep pace with that. And if any nation which is to grow economically has to have a strong military, and we must do and fulfill our obligation to the nation in the years to come, for which we are always ready for the challenge.
महीने पहले हमने जम्मू एयरपोर्ट पर जो डिवाइसेस भेजे गए थे ड्रोन के, तो आपको लग रहा है कि चैलेंज के लिए हम रेडी हैं? इस तरह की अगर कोई भी रिपोर्टिंग होती है तो हम उस चीज को रोक सकते हैं?
देखिए, ड्रोन के अटैक्स जो है बहुत ही छोटा अटैक है और बहुत ही कम डैमेज कर सकता है, लेकिन उसके लिए हमने इक्विपमेंट पहले से ही तैयार कर रखा था, उसको यहाँ पर पहले डिप्लॉय भी किया गया था। अब उस डिप्लॉयमेंट को फर्दर हम बढ़ाते हुए और प्रोक्योरमेंट करके और जगह हमने डिप्लॉय किया है। एंड ड्रोन चैलेंज जो है बहुत छोटा चैलेंज है, and we will be able to deal with that challenge as and when it comes.
So how do you see the Chinese build-up on the other side with their strength in their force bases very close to the LAC and basically it's an aggressive posturing. So how do you see?
I will reserve my comments on that part and will stick to only related to 47.